Okay, so the Earth sprites are freaking awesome and also kind of hard to find because only 2 of them spawn each map, and they're kind of random and they blend in, so unless you're actively looking for them, they're easy to miss. So yesterday and the day before I worked super hard to see how many I could find for you guys, and I'm going to share the 10 locations I found so far with a screenshotable map. What makes the Earth Sprites amazing is that when you trade an item with them, they will give you a legendary or gold weapon. At first, I thought they'd just give you the legendary version of whatever you feed them, but after doing this enough times, I've noticed that it's not exactly true. But I have noticed some consistency and there's some sort of mapping. For example, every time I've given it a pistol, I've gotten a Gold Fury assault rifle, and every time I've given it a twin fire auto shotgun, I received the gold version of that exact same shotgun. So it doesn't appear to be random per se. When my teammate fed it an SMG, he got the legendary Veiled Precision SMG. So I found several near Night Shift Forest. One is just southwest of Twinkle Terrace, just north of Night Shift Forest on the hill by a tree, then another in between the green and pink trees south of Twinkle Terrace, and another one on the top right corner of Night Shift Forest. Then there's one east of Night Shift Forest and south of Lost Lake, then north of Bird and south of Night Shift Forest. So total of 5 that I've found around the Night Shift Forest area. Then between Masked Meadows and Hopeful Heights, then at Splitting Pins just south of Mount Everest, then west of Magic Mosses, then northeast of Magic Mosses just south of Martial Maneuvers, then south of Pump Power and Demon's Dojo, then west of Flooded Frogs. My suggestion is if you're looking to find this big guy when you're in game, don't actually look for the spirit itself because it blends in with its environment a little too well. Instead, look for its unique lamp or lantern that only exists for these guys. Also, one thing I've noticed is some people are posting false locations. Note that the lantern is there even if the Earth Sprite does not spawn there, as you saw in some of my earlier clips, which means if you don't see a lantern there, then it's not a possible spawn location. And here's a map you can screenshot that shows the spots that I've found so far. Please let me know in the comments if you found any more than these. Hope that helps, and thank you so much for your love and support.